It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna set up a campaign with Microsoft on a product that give us the keywords that's winning, so we can make sales. Let's get it. We're gonna swing over to Digistore. Name of the product is Care for type 2 blood sugar diabetes. We're gonna go swing over to the affiliate support page. Right here is where they give us our top performing keywords. Download it here. Click here. Gonna copy all these keywords. Over that's a lot. Copy. So we go to our keyword tool. Paste all these keywords in here. There we go. Gonna go here, create a phrase in exact match, make keyword list. Gonna select, copy. Okay, we're gonna swing over here, create a new campaign in Microsoft. Visits the website, search campaign, click next. Name of campaign, Care. $100 a day. Ad budget. Whoops. You can use Canada, United States. I'm gonna unclick this box. Save and go to the next step. Go back to our keyword tool. We're gonna actually put this just exact match and see how that looks first in the keyword tool. All right, we're gonna put ad group name exact match. Paste those keywords in here. Make another ad group. Call it phrase for phrase match. And phrase, copy, paste. So we can go over to create the ads. Come on, create ad. But how to treat diabetes. Treat diabetes. First line, I'm gonna say simple trick, watch secret video. Get on over to Clay Magic. Type in our Care Microsoft. Put our links. Gonna go grab our link from the affiliate support page. ID, tracking links, video sales page. That go here. digistore24 affiliate. Where are you? There we go. Create link. All right, after we create that, we're gonna copy our link. Go to Microsoft. Throw it in a tracking template, / keyword. No, we're gonna do query string. Pre-stream. Device. And match type. Undo. Let's paste our link in a different window. We're gonna grab this link. Swing over, put that in the mobile URL, put in the final URL, save. I forgot to do the description. Description, we're gonna just put how to treat diabetes, copy this. Check. Out this secret video. Watch now. Save. All right, keep it on enhanced bid. We're gonna set this to 35 cents a click. Set the second one. 35 cents a click. Go down to add distribution, Bing and ALA only, save. There we go. All right, now most of y'all been asking me about Google Ads and if you been getting your account suspended. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, go and order this book. Read through this whole book, order this book. It's a great book. It shows you how to get your accounts back, how to be compliant with Google. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Share this video, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I drop a video. You guys have a great night.